Let's have a real conversation, and I'm not going to sugarcoat this one. I am going to, how would I say it? I'm going to break the table. I'm going to shatter the table. A lot of social media managers are replaceable. Yeah, I said it. I shattered it. You are replaceable, and not because you are not talented. It's not because you're not hardworking. You are, and it's not because you're not trying, but because of how you've positioned yourself as a social media manager. And I think we need to talk about it honestly. And you know me, I will always speak about it honestly, especially in this era where AI tools are improving. Automation is getting better and better, and brands are and businesses are becoming more aware of what they actually need. So yeah, because if you're a social media right now, I wouldn't say that you should be scared of AI or be scared that AI is going to take your job. This video is not to fear-monger you or create so much fear within you. But if you are a social media manager right now and you're only focused on posting content, replying comments, following trends without deeper thinking, you are in a very risky position. You are. Now, if you're new here, hi, my name is Omabalaji Ajibari. I am your social media manager's favorite social media manager. I am a creator, economic strategist, and educator. And on this channel, I break down what it takes to grow, position yourself, and actually make money as a creator or a social media manager without all the noise you see online. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna explain what I actually said at the beginning. There was a time where you were just able to manage an account and it was enough as a social media manager. Scheduling posts wasn't as serious as it is now. Maybe you just write a few captions, use hashtags, just basically keep the page active. That used to be valuable on its own for social media managers. But today, that is the bare minimum. And we want princess treatment. The brands, the businesses, they want princess treatment. They don't want the bare minimum. And the problem is, a lot of people are still building their entire career around the bare minimum, whereas you should be building it around princess treatment. In case you don't understand, I don't think you should be a social media manager because there was a trend about bare minimum and princess treatment. And when your value is built on tasks that can be automated, outsourced cheaply, or done by AI tools, it becomes very easy to replace you. And sadly, that's the reality. It's not about fear. Like I said, I'm not about to, this is not a fear-mongering content or fear-mongering video. This is about creating awareness for you. Because once you understand where the risk is, you can start positioning yourself differently. Yes, differently. So I'm going to break this down properly. The reason why some social media managers are becoming replaceable is because they operate like executors instead of operating like thinkers. A lot of social media managers are waiting for instructions. I had a client, a friend that's about to be a client, reach out and say she's looking for a social media manager that can think, not somebody that's always waiting for instructions or waiting for content ideas or waiting for directions. She needs somebody that's proactive. A lot of social media managers are waiting for content ideas, waiting for directions, waiting for trends. They are doing the work, but they are not driving the work. And brands and business owners are starting to notice that, because if a brand has to think for you, they have to plan for you, they have to guide you, they have to tell you what to do, give you direction, and then you just execute. They will start asking themselves, what exactly am I paying this person for? And that's where AI becomes a threat, because AI can help them to generate captions, it can suggest content ideas for them, it can analyze trends, it can help them with scheduling. So if your role is limited to just execution, you are competing with tools, and that is not a good place to be. No, it's not. Now let's talk about the second reason why a lot of social media managers are replaceable. Is a lot of social media managers focus on content but not the results. They'll tell you, oh, I posted consistently, I followed trends, I increased the output of this brand. But when you ask them, what did this content actually achieve? They don't have an answer to that. If you ask them, oh, did this content drive engagement? Did it increase conversions? Did it grow the right audience? Did it support our business goals or improve the brand positioning? They go silent because they don't know the answer to that. Because at the end of the day, brands and businesses are not paying for content. They are paying for outcomes. And if you you cannot connect your work to the outcomes, your values become questionable. The third reason I would think, or I would say, you are replaceable as a social media manager is your lack of specialization. A lot of social media managers are trying to do everything for everybody. They don't have a niche. They listen to somebody that says, oh, you don't need a niche. You bloody need a niche. You need a niche. You need a bloody niche. Every niche, every platform, every type of content, you need to have one. You don't need to serve every niche. You don't need to serve every platform. You don't need to be on every platform. You don't need to post every type of content. And while being versatile is good, the lack of focus can make your positioning be weak. Because if you are for everybody, you're competing with everybody, and it makes it harder for you to stand out. Because a lot of brands and businesses are looking for people who understand specific industries, specific audiences, and specific platforms deeply, not just generally. The fourth reason is poor understanding of the creator economy. And this is a big one because the creator economy is shifting a whole lot. And social media is no longer just about posting content. It is about creators, it is about collaboration, storytelling, influence, community, and so on and so forth. So if you are managing social media without understanding how creators operate, how content travels, how audiences engage, and how culture shapes content, you will struggle to stay relevant because the game has changed and the game is always changing. Now, I know this might sound like a lot, but this is where the opportunity comes in for you, because while some people are becoming replaceable, others are becoming more valuable and indispensable than ever. And the difference is how they are positioning themselves. Let's talk about how to make sure that you are not one of the people that gets replaced. The first thing I would say, or the first shift I think you need to make, is to go from being an executor to being a strategist. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a social media strategist. I'm saying you need to start thinking like one. You need to stop being the person that just posts content. You need to become the person that understands why that content is being posted. Why are you posting this idea? Why is this idea posted in this format? Why am I posting at this time? Why am I posting on this platform? What is the message that this content is trying to pass across? You need to be able to think, plan, and guide your content so that when a brand or a business comes to you, they should feel like they are speaking to someone who understands direction, not just execution, because strategy cannot be easily replaced. It cannot be easily replaced. The second shift I would say is understanding results, not just content. You need to start thinking in terms of performance. What is working? What is not working? Why is it not working? What should we do next? You need to be comfortable with analytics. If you don't like numbers, you're going to be replaced. Not just looking at the numbers, but interpreting those numbers. Because when you say this is what the data is telling us, this is what it says we should do next, you move from being just a social media poster to being a decision maker. And decision makers are harder to replace. The third shift I would say is building a skill stack. Now, do not rely on just one skill. Expand, understand your content strategy, understand copywriting, understand storytelling, analytics, audience behavior, platform behavior, how to work with creators, how to package your content. Because the more depth you have, the harder it is to replace you. The more knowledgeable you become, the harder it is to replace you. The third thing I would say is you need to learn how to use AI. Stop competing with it. Learn how to use it. Use it to improve your workflow. Use it as a tool. Use it to generate ideas, to support your research, to enhance your efficiency. But do not rely it on replacing your thinking, because AI can assist you, but it cannot replace human insight, context, creativity, and decision making. The people who are going to be irreplaceable are the ones who use AI without losing their edge. But if you're using AI to do everything, or you're avoiding it at all, you'll be replaced. The fifth shift I see is positioning. So you need to be clear about what you do and who you're doing it for. Not just, I am a social media manager. That's too broad. What kind of brands do you want to work with? I'm a social media manager that serves skincare brands, female skincare brands, female sensitive skincare brands, eco-friendly skincare brands. What results do you focus on? What makes your approach different from everybody else? What problems do you solve? Because clarity in your positioning makes it easier for the right opportunities to find you. The sixth shift I would say is in your communication and your professionalism. Now, this one is very underrated. How you communicate matters. How you present your ideas matters. How you report your results, how you handle your clients, it matters. Because sometimes the difference between somebody who gets replaced and somebody who gets retained is not just the skill. It's in your reliability, your clarity, and in building trust. And those things matter more than most people realize. Now, this is where I'm going to land and this is where I'm going to close. But I'm going to say this before I close. And I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm just saying this to prepare you, because the social media space is evolving day in, day out, and the creator economy is evolving. Expectations are changing, and the people who will thrive are the people who adapt. But the people that stay in outdated roles, they are gonna struggle. So if you are a social media manager watching or listening to this, is your opportunity to step up. This is your opportunity to go deeper, to think better, to position yourself properly, to build something that cannot be easily replaced. Because at the end of the day, it is not AI that replaces people. It is the lack of evolution that replaces you. It is. And if this video gave you clarity, I want you to tell me in the comments, which of these shifts do you need to work on the most? And if you want more real conversations about social media management, content creation, the creator economy, make sure that you're subscribed. I always post weekly videos. And I am Omobolaji Ajibare. I am your social media manager's favorite social media manager. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!